Yo, internet entourage, meet Keenan. Keenan, introduce yourself.
I'm Keenan. I'm chilling. Just trying to find a t-shirt.
What does Keenan do? What does Keenan like?
I work in a warehouse, and then I come home and cry. I ate egg rolls. Did have some egg rolls.
What are we about to get into tonight? What is internet entourage finna get into?
Probably make a banger again.
We made a banger last Friday. That shit was fire.
Facts. Slap. Welcome to the stew. Come here.
Let's see if you can get in one take.
On camera?
On the camera rolling.
I'm really crazy company. I could give this girl my all, but I don't know if she the one for me. So I'm gonna go and hit the dash and see if that be one for me. Fuck! I said...
Yo, that was good.
No, I said one. I got it. Really crazy company. I could get this girl my all, but I don't know if she the one for me. So I'm gonna go and hit the dash and see if that bitch run for me. Yeah. You know that you begged for babe. Begging for the babe. She begging for the babe.
This dog is so big, look. It's like, oh, take me to Atlanta.
Man, I gotta flow into it. Oh, fuck. Get lost sometimes. Every time I'm gone, you be on my mind. I think about your eyes and they shine like the stars. That's it, bro. That shit sounds so fucking good. Yeah. Send a message to a phone and I'm parked outside by the curb. I know that I'm pushing P. I said it's fun on what you heard. Yeah, I lit it. That's so stupid. Way too bright. Shorty running, I said, Keenan, you look fly just like a bird. No, I'm with that shit. I been with that shit. I'm pouring her that lean with Sprite. Look like I'm pouring Whitney, bitch. Kicking at the crib. I'm on. These are videos that in like a year, we're gonna be like, look at what we were doing, bro. I moved the couch over. Sean's not allowed to do that at his house. Where are we going? Mexican Applebee's. Mexican. You don't want for me, so I'ma go and hit the dash to see if that bitch want for. I can't stand these voices, they're way too loud. I feel like a plane lost in the clouds. That's a bar, bro. It's like a plane lost. So I go down. No, I can't go through life if you're not gonna side. Take everything off, cause it's on tonight. Take everything that's left off my heart, cause it feels right. No, please don't judge me if I get lost. No, you can't record now, stop. Put that down.